Hello everyone. As you can see, today we will use the image of a war god combined with the horns of a sheep to design a special shape. We will start painting with loosened messy strokes, which is how we started. Try to relax as much as possible so as to find a good start for the future painting process. When you first start drawing it, don't pursue perfection. Its function is to find ideas. Perhaps the initial wild thoughts can provide more imaginative space, allowing you to explore possibilities to your heart's content without worrying too much too. Every artist cannot avoid the idea of a perfect picture at the beginning. In fact, there is no need to do so. Let your ideas be as open as possible and paint freely. Don't take the final result as the goal, but enjoy the process of painting, which is also a way to cultivate your own mood. The technique of painting is a process of gradually familiarizing oneself with techniques, which requires a long time of learning and systematic training to use painting methods to express structures. From the initial rough depiction to gradually starting to paint details, many characters need to master the structure of their heads proficiently, such as the detailed painting of their cheeks and foreheads. When fully mastering large forms, one must use their imagination, which is also a long minus term painting training. The result. To be honest, every time I draw, I feel a lot of pressure and hope that every painting I draw is a timeless classic. Although they have never succeeded, perhaps this is the contradiction, self-contradiction, and self-struggle of every painter who hopes for perfection. The bright area is very important. It is the ultimate decision of the structure, and all detailed object depictions are in this step. Essentially, you are constructing your own ideas for art. I am very obsessed with these details, which is also the most charming part of painting it. Sometimes the depiction of details has a great deal of freedom, and sometimes the original idea is to draw a large wrinkle of human skin. But during the drawing process, it suddenly feels more like a small protrusion of skin. This idea runs through the entire process of detail depiction. The red scar under the eyes should be a representative result of a fight. I added some highlights to make it look like I just got injured recently, which can better highlight the character's personality. The lips are the most unsatisfactory part of my drawing. I didn't capture the sense of power in the reference image, and my drawing was rather relaxed, almost like the feeling of just finishing food. I originally wanted to make some modifications, but later thought about it and gave up. Perhaps leaving a little regret is the original creation. Alright, that's all for today. I look forward to seeing you again. If you like my work, please follow me and give me a like. Thank you.